Hey everyone, today I will show you how YouTube's algorithm helps to grow a small channel. You see that in October 2018, my channel achieved 8,700 minutes watch time, right? Okay, October. Then November, I have got 10,121 minutes watch time. That is, it is growing slowly, right? You can observe the curve. Okay, now I will move to the December month of 2008. In December 2008, I have gotten nearly 12,000 minutes watch time. That is, YouTube algorithm is helping this small channel uh, quite well. Okay, now let me show you the stats of my January. In January, I have gotten 15,154 minutes. That is huge increase, right? So observe here from 12,000 to 15,000 minutes. That huge, right? Okay. So this is the uh, uh, stats that will help you to understand your channel quite better. Actually, YouTube algorithm helps small YouTubers like me uh, continuously, right? You will not see a big increase suddenly. You have to you have to see your development step by step, very little, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.